Hello, I'm Donny from Innovate Alarms, and today we're going to be taking a look at Dahuas Smart Door Station Kit. Hello and welcome to our channel. So, as I said in the intro, we're going to be looking at Dahuas Smart Door Station. In the kit we get the door station, which has got built-in camera, call button and speaker mic for two-way communication, and we've also got the monitor for inside the property, which allows you to communicate between the door station. Now with these systems they also go through to your smart devices, so you can answer the door remotely from basically anywhere in the world. I like to call it answering the door with style. In order to do this demonstration I'm going to need some help, so I'm going to welcome in my beautiful assistant Donny 2.0. Come on in, Donny. Hi, how you doing? There you go. So, say hello. Hello. So, we've already got this installed. We installed it in our office and we're very happy with how it's performing. So, what we'll do is we'll get ourselves going and we'll go see how it works. Okay? So, right, let's go. You're looking good today, by the way. I saw you. Cheers. So here it is, everyone. This is one we installed earlier. So this is the door station, and you can see it's got a nice little backlit around the push button, so we can clearly see where we're meant to press, even in darkness. So if I press that just now, it's going to go through to the monitor in our office, and it will also go through to Donny 2.0's mobile phone. So let's give that a go.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
Don't know what's keeping them. You must be working hard. Who could that be? I'm looking at the award. New College Lanarkshire Small to Medium Employer of the Year 2023. Innovate Alarms. Aye, okay, I'll get it. Hello. Hello, Donny 2.0. Can you hear me? Loud and clear. Cool. So same again, I'm going to hit this button and this time we're going to get Donny 2.0 to answer the call on his phone.
Calling now.
So he's pressed the button, there it is, it's coming through to my phone, and I would just answer that. And there we go. Hello? Yes. Goodbye. We hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. This system works. It lets you answer your door from really anywhere. Just convenient. It's very convenient. If you're interested in anything like this, our contact details will be at the end of the video, and again they'll be in the comments down below. And that's it. Thank you. Whoa, wait a minute. What? You're meant to tell people to like and subscribe and share. How are you going to grow your channel? Okay, so hit like and subscribe and all that stuff. Cheerio!